This video shows you a quick and easy way to turn off the camera shutter sound on your Android phone using simple volume settings so you can take photos quietly whenever you need. First, unlock your Android device and make sure you are on the home screen. Press either the volume up or volume down button to open the volume control panel on your screen. Once the volume slider appears, look carefully at the top or side of the panel for a three-dot icon. Tap on it to expand the full volume settings. Now you will see multiple volume sliders such as media, ringtone, notifications, and system. The camera shutter sound is usually controlled by the system volume. Locate the system slider. It may also appear with a small wrench or settings icon depending on your phone model. Drag this system volume slider all the way down to 0 or mute it completely. After that, open your camera app and take a test photo. You should notice that the shutter sound is no longer playing. If the sound is still there, check your phone's mute or do not disturb mode, or look in camera settings because some Samsung and other Android devices have a separate shutter sound toggle. And that's it. You have successfully turned off the camera shutter sound on your Android phone in a quick and easy way, just like a real user-friendly setup guide.